For all of us, and particularly since this incident occurred, it has been sleepless nights for Mr. President and for all of us sitting down here. Because as Nigerians, any Nigerian that is affected is concerned, because we equally have children, we equally have people in our villages. So we know how it feels and we feel your pain. We have listened to your demands, to your requests, to your appeals. And just to assure you that members of the armed forces, the police and other security agencies will continue to work very hard until all the children and everyone that has been captured both here and everywhere in Nigeria is returned home safely. We are together with you. We feel your pain. And our prayers are with those that have lost their loved ones. And please, our appeal is that the security forces cannot do this alone. We need your cooperation also, because you know the terrain, you know the areas. Our appeal is, if you see anything that is strange, anybody that is new, people coming around, working aimlessly within your communities that you have never seen, please report as quickly as possible. Especially when you see people coming in to buy food in large quantities, coming to buy bread in large quantities, coming to do one or two things. Please don't keep quiet. It is our responsibility to report this as quickly as possible so that the members of the security forces can take action. We have also listened on your request for the establishment of forward operating base here. We'll go back and handle that as quickly as possible so that this place can have more security. But I can assure you, as we are sitting down here, both in the sky and on land, we are watching what is going on around here. And as quickly as possible, we are going to get them. Let us continue to pray together. Let's continue to unite. It's not a time to blame anybody. It's a time for unity. You are a strong community. We have driven around. We have seen how resilient you are. And God is with you. God will continue to strengthen us. Their intention is to put fear among us and to put division so that you think the government is not doing right or people don't care about you. The president and all the team in Abuja and everywhere cares about what happens here. Because you, to us, you are all family. So it is important. On the issue of the infrastructure that we have seen, I know the local government, the federal government will do something to assist you to make sure that this place is better than we have seen it. But I want to encourage us all to please remain very strong. God is with us and we shall succeed. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you.
Yesterday I was with Mr. President. Incidentally, the issue of forest guards came up. He directed that we must establish for Oyo State forest guards of minimum of 1,000 from the first week of June. And we are going to do that immediately after we go back to Abuja. We are going to do it in collaboration with the state government. And we also want to acknowledge the role of the governor. It's doing very well, good. And at the same time, the local communities. These forest guards will come from you, and we are going to expedite it. We'll start seeing action even more. The Minister of Defense is here, and I'm also sure he will talk about the possibility of having physical presence of our military in this community. We will not leave this place without specific actions. We have listened to you, and we can tell you, we assure you, we are going to take action. God bless you, and may God continue to be with you. Thank you very much.
Sọ fún yín pé Ọlọ́run á rẹ̀ yín lẹ́kún. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ má sunkún, kẹ́ má fòyà. pé níbi tí àwọn wà lónìí àwọn mójútó gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Pé kẹ́ lọ sinmi, kẹ́ ní fọkànbalẹ̀ pé ìjọba àwọn President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wọ́n wà lórí situation tàbára wa. Pé àwọn ọmọ yín pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run lágbára Ọlọ́run wọ́n máa padà láìpẹ́, láì ṣe kí ni láìpẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi yé wa pé àwọn kan, mo rò pé èèyàn méjì àbí mẹ́ta lọ pa. À débẹ̀ láti lọ rí àwọn ẹbí wọn. Àní rírú ẹ̀ mọ́, Ọlọ́run àforíjì o. Wọ́n á gbé wọn sáfẹ́fẹ́ rẹ̀, ọjọ́ á jìnnà síra wọn. Mo ṣe, ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́. À fi àsìkò yìí àgbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu NSA wa àti Minister of Defence wá bá a sọ̀rọ̀ ní ṣókí. Àwọn náà wọ́n wà lára àwọn tí President wa tó rán wá síbí báyìí. Ẹ ṣé.
Wọ́n ní testimony ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Mo bẹ̀ ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin òdìṣẹ́, ẹ̀yin olórí ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Aláwọ̀ òdúró tì yìí. A sọ ní pé ẹ ṣe 100 fún wa. Ọlọ́run òkùnkùn kú iṣẹ́ ní. Bí mo ti dúró, mo ti tán láti Benue State ni mo fi wá. Ẹ dákú. Ẹ tàánú wa dàgbọ́ ọmọ wọn lè fi jáde. Àwọn ọmọ wọn lọ jẹ́ ọ̀la wa ẹ dákú ẹ̀yà olórí. Ẹ bá wọn nínú ìrànlọ́ jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa fẹ́ wọ̀. Èmi gbàgbọ́ tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ní ọjọ́ mẹ́ta àtàbọ̀. Méjì àtàbọ̀ bẹ nínú wa àti kúta ẹ̀ka ní wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ dàgbọ́ láwọn ọmọ yìí ṣe.